Hi friends, there is a notification, employment notification from Securities and Exchange Board of India, SEBI. There is a recruitment for officer grade A, assistant manager in the streams of general stream, legal stream, information technology stream, research stream and official language stream 2022. So as you know, Securities and Exchange Board of India, SEBI, is a statutory body to protect the interests of investors in securities and to promote and development and to regulate the securities market. So it is like a what they say, a regulatory body like. Now coming to the dates, important dates that you have to remember. Online application and payment of fee online activity, the important dates are something like this. The online application and payment of fee online will start from January 5th 2022 to January 24th 2022. Availability of call letters on SEBI website for online application. They will be intimated by email or SMS. That means you should have a working email, valid email and a working phone number also. Now phase 1 online examination will be conducted on February 20th 2022 and phase 2 online examination except paper 2 of information technology, it will be conducted on a separate date. So phase 2 online examination except IT stream will be conducted on March 20th and phase 2 of paper 2 of phase 2 of IT stream will be conducted on April 3rd. So phase 3 interview, that means phase 3, that is interview, their dates will be intimated later, right? Now coming to the stream and their number of posts available and what is their education qualification, we will have a look at these things. So for general stream, the total number of posts are 80. Total number of posts, that means including unreserved, OBC, SC, ST, EWS, everything. So total number of posts are 80 and the education qualification is something like this: master's degree in any discipline, bachelor's degree in law, bachelor's degree in engineering from a recognized university, or CA, CFA, CS, CW, they are also eligible for this. So clearly in the notification you have got all the reservation details that you can go through when you download the notification. Coming to legal stream, the total number of posts are 16 in number. So the education qualification is bachelor's degree in law from a recognized university or institute. So in IT stream, the total number of posts are taken as 12. The qualification is bachelor's degree in engineering, electrical, electronics and communication, that means EC, information technology, computer science or masters in computer applications, MCA, or bachelor's degree in any discipline with a postgraduate qualification, that means PG qualification, minimum 2 years duration in computers and information and technology. So this is the eligibility that is given for IT stream. So coming to research stream, there are 6 posts: master degree in statistics, PG degree, master's degree in statistics, economics, commerce, business, administration, finance, econometrics from a recognized university or institute. Now official language, the total number of posts are only 3. Master's degree in Hindi with English as one of the subjects at bachelor degree level, or master's degree in Sanskrit, English like MA English, MA Sanskrit, something like that, MA Hindi, and economics, commerce with Hindi as a subject. So you can have also a PG degree in economics and commerce with Hindi as a subject at bachelor's degree level from a recognized university or institute. So if you have a bachelor degree in commerce, if you have a master's degree in economics at Hindi at bachelor's levels, you should have Hindi as a subject at bachelor's degree. Now that is the situation. Now age limit, the cutoff date is 31 December 2021 they have taken. The cutoff date is the age limit is something like this: a candidate must not have exceeded an age of 30 years as on December 31st 2021. Candidate must have been born on or after January 1st 1992. Okay, so this is the age limit they have given. So as on December 31st 2021, he should not exceed the age of 30 years. So he must have been born or after January 1st 1992. After that date he should be born. So remaining all the age relaxations for SC, ST and OBC, they are given in the notification, and ex-servicemen, etc., etc., and everything they have given. Ex-servicemen, OBC layer, non-creamy layer, they are also given some categories. Yeah, OBC non-creamy layer. Here OBC who belong to creamy layer are not entitled to apply under OBC category. Only non-creamy layer are eligible to apply under OBC category. That is, anyway, most of the people know this. Okay. Now coming to the mode of selection. Mode of selection shall be at 3-stage process. Phase 1 is an online screening examination consisting of 2 papers. In phase 1 you will have 2 papers, 100 marks each. Phase 2 online examination consisting of 2 papers, that is also 100 marks each. In phase 1 you will have 2 papers, in phase 2 also you will have 2 papers. Phase 3 is nothing but interview. Coming to phase 1 online examination, an online screening consisting of 2 papers, multiple choice questions, 100 marks each will be held. This already I said this is going to be held on February 20th, 2022. So in paper 1, phase 1, paper 1, all streams, multiple choice questions on the subjects like general awareness, including some questions related to finance sector of easy to moderate difficulty level, English language, quantitative aptitude and test of reasoning will be there. Reasoning and aptitude will be there. Maximum marks is 100, duration is 60 minutes and cutoff is 30%. 30% is compulsory. So now paper 2, coming to phase 1, paper 2 in general stream. So because there are some streams here, in general stream, the paper 1 is common for all the streams. Now coming to paper 2, general stream, multiple choice questions on subjects like commerce, accountancy, management, finance, costing, companies act and economics. Maximum marks are 100, duration is 40 minutes and cutoff is 40%. Now in paper 2 only, for the streams like legal, information technology, official language stream, multiple choice questions on specialized subject related to stream. Coming to research stream, multiple choice questions on subjects like economics, econometrics, statistics, finance and commerce, etc. So 100, maximum marks are 100, 40 minutes is the duration and 40% is the cutoff. Whereas there is an aggregate cutoff, that means including paper 1 and paper 2, that is 40%. Aggregate cutoff is 40%, but the individual cutoff is compulsorily you should be getting. Average aggregate is okay, that is compulsory. In that also, paper 1 you should be getting 30%, paper 2 you should be getting 40%. So that will also be checked. So there is a negative marking also. 1/4 is the negative marking for paper 1 for each question, for every 1 mark. 1/4 is the negative mark assigned to the question for paper 1 and paper 2 in phase 1. And there shall be a cutoff. Already they told us there shall be a cutoff of minimum 30% for paper 1. No sectional cutoff will be there. That means for the cutoff is for paper, so not for section wise inside the paper. So no sectional cutoff will be there, and a cutoff of minimum 40% in paper 2 in phase 1. Candidates would need to secure a separate cutoff in each paper as mentioned above, as well as the aggregate cutoff of 40 marks in phase 1 exam to be shortlisted for phase 2. Marks obtained in phase 1 shall be used for shortlisting the candidates for phase 2 examination process and will not be counted for final selection. Friends, this phase 1, whatever the paper 1 and 2 paper wise cutoff and aggregate cutoff you selected, this paper 1 and 2 of phase 1, these marks are calculated only to give you entrance to phase 2 exam. So this phase 1 marks will not be counted for the final selection. So this is to make you an entry. This phase 1 is going to give an entry for phase 2. After going into phase 2, you need not care about this phase 1 marks. So it is going for phase 2 only. Subject to criteria, all the candidates who clear phase 1 shall be shortlisted to phase 2. List of candidates shortlisted for phase 2 will be made available on SEBI website. Okay, so clearly they are telling that phase 1 exam, phase 1 marks are only to bring you to phase 2 only. Now coming to phase 2, as on online examination, here also there will be 2 papers for 100 marks each, and this exam will be held on March 20th, 2022, except paper 2 IT stream paper, that will be conducted separately. And in phase 2, paper 1 and paper 2 both are there, anyway we know. Paper 1 is for all streams, paper 1. English descriptive test will be there and drafting skills also will be there. Maximum marks are 100. Okay, next in 60 minutes is the duration time. Cutoff is 30%. Cutoff percentage 30%. Weightage is 1/3. And paper 2, coming to paper 2 stream wise I am reading out. For general stream like MCQ questions on commerce, accountancy, management, finance, costing, companies, act and economics. Maximum marks are 100. 40 minutes is the time duration. Cutoff is 40%. 2/3 is the weightage. Now paper 2, legal and official language stream, multiple choice questions on specialized subject related to stream. And research stream, multiple choice questions on subjects like economics, econometrics, statistics, finance and commerce. So 100 marks are given to you here. 40 minutes is the duration. 40% is the cutoff and 2/3 is the weightage. Information technology stream, coding, test, languages, that is for separate. Anyway, it will be conducted separate, but that is also given here. IT stream, coding, test, languages like C++, Java, Python. Python is also there, which is basically an AI based tool. So 100 marks, maximum marks. 180 minutes are given for this. 180 minutes means 3 hours actually. That's a pretty long time. And cutoff is 40% and weightage is 2/3. So aggregate cutoff. So that means this cutoff should be paper wise. You should have this cutoff. Here stream wise cutoff is also there. If you see stream wise cutoff in paper 1, stream wise cutoff is not there. It is only paper wise cutoff. But here in every paper, stream wise cutoff is also there. So clearly in paper 1, paper 1 you have got cutoff 30%. In paper 2 for stream wise there is separate cutoff is there. Okay, anyway the aggregate cutoff is 50%. So that's a pretty high cutoff. Cutoff is 50%. Now my dear friends, paper 2 of phase 2 of information technology stream, IT stream, shall be held separately on April 3rd. That is already mentioned. So for candidates who have applied in multiple streams, those people who are eligible for multiple streams. So he is not telling that one person should apply for one stream only. That is a good news actually. For candidates who have applied in multiple streams, paper 2 will be conducted in various shifts, the timing of which will be intimated in the hall ticket. Paper 2 of IT stream shall be separately conducted on April 3rd. That वो बार वही बता रहा है वो. Okay. Now here also there is a negative marking of 1/4 marks assigned to the question in phase 2 examination also. Now service conditions and allowances like probation etc. we'll see. Probation is for 2 years. The successful candidates recruited for the post of officer grade A shall undergo probation of 2 years. 2 years is the probation period. The candidate shall be confirmed in the services of SEBI subject to their satisfactory performance. After the probation, they will be taking to you in the permanent service. Pay will be pre-revised pay scale of officer grade A is it will start from 28,150 rupees is the starting, and it can go up to 55,600 rupees depending on the conditions. Now some other benefits like leave fare concession, medical expenses, eye refraction, education allowances, financial dailies, book grant, briefcase, conveyance expenses, house cleaning allowance, staff furnishing scheme for purchasing computers, subsidized lunch facility and all other benefits are admissible to an officer in grade A in SEBI. Now friends, accommodation, residential accommodation would be provided subject to availability, that is. Posting, the incumbent may be posted, he can be posted anywhere in India. So the people who have selected have no right to choose the location. They can be, the recruited officers may be posted to any department of SEBI irrespective of the stream. Okay, some examination centers are also there. You can select your nearest center when you download the notification. Okay, now application fee. Let us go to the application fee. For unreserved candidates and OBCs and EWS candidates, those who belong to that categories, 1000 rupees is the application fee, and application fee come intimation charges. Now for category like SC, ST, physically disabled, 100 rupees is as intimation charges. Okay, separate online application for each stream. If you are applying for multiple streams, you have to apply for each stream separately, right? Now, coming to how to apply, there is a brief introduction I'll be giving you regarding the application procedure. So candidates who are required to apply online through website, you go to www.sebi.gov.in from January 5th to January 24th, 2022, and no other mode of application will be accepted. Candidates need not submit the system generated printout of the online application to SEBI office. So you need not send any application by post or something. So you should apply everything through online only. Okay, now the detailed guidelines, the application registration, payment of fee, uploading of photographs. So there are so many things, but before that you can see when you download the notification. But before applying online, this careful step should be taken. You should have a scan of photograph of yours and signature ensuring that both of the photograph and signature adhere to required specifications as given under guidelines for uploading of photograph and signature scan. So like left hand thumb impression, your photo, signature. So how to apply, and all these things are given in the notification. So these are some important points that I told you regarding this SEBI notification. So I request you to download the full notification and take a printout of it. Go through the notification thoroughly and go through the full notification thoroughly. And if you are eligible and interested to apply for this post, don't miss the opportunity. Thank you.